Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your iPhone is updated and the photo is in front of you. Open Photos, pick the image that keeps rotating, and tap Edit. This gives immediate control. Once in Edit, check whether rotation happened in camera or via editing apps, because that affects the fix. Make sure live photos or hike formats are noted; they behave differently. Now proceed to rotation controls in the next step to lock orientation and save a corrected copy. You use the Crop and Rotate tool, tap the square with arrows icon, then rotate until the photo visually matches how it should display. Once done, make precise micro adjustments with the straighten slider if edges look off. This prevents downstream auto-rotation. Make sure to press Done to commit changes, otherwise the original problematic orientation remains. If you need an original backup, duplicate the photo first. This ensures you have a corrected, permanent file that won't flip unexpectedly. You finish by eliminating future causes when sharing, export, or convert hike to JPG to avoid receiver-side rotation. Disable auto-rotate features in editors that rewrite EXIF orientation and prefer saving edited copies from photos rather than third-party apps. Once complete, test by closing and reopening the image and by sending it to yourself. If it still rotates, reset transfer settings. Go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.